Alright everybody, welcome to Dark AMV's Pokemon Nuzlocke Versus, featuring Rando.
Hi everyone!
Alright. If you have not seen the last episode, link is in the description, for it is on Rando's channel. And next episode will be on the following Monday, also on his channel. Link will be in the description as soon as possible. So, quick recap. I'm hunting down a Solrock, and he is about to fight Archie, I believe.
Yep.
So, fingers crossed for both of us.
You know it.
I still don't got my darn Solrock.
You'll find it. You can start doing speed up now.
Yeah.
Go fast. I'll allow this. I'll be a generous opponent. I was just waiting for it to be the first thing you would count.
That'd be
look,
fun.
there it is.
That would be how it worked, though.
Honestly.
Because I'm leveling up some stuff.
You don't need level. And mostly the reason for speed up is because it'd be boring otherwise.
Yeah.
Would Carl hunt for this this rare encounter of a Solrock? So. I hate my Neandas. I hate them so much. Stop attacking me. Okay. Nose bite. Who just got stronger? No, special defense. Dark special. Crobat. Get him, Crobat. Sand attack still hits me even though I'm a flying type in this gen.
Isn't that nice?
I forgot. Now I'm angry. Come on, you got it, Carl. You can find it. You can do it.
I'm hoping. Don't we have to come back here later on anyways?
I don't know.
Hey!
Oh, there you go. See, look, you just talked about coming back and it's like, okay, I'll show up.
Yeah.
Now don't kill it.
Yeah, that's the hard part. So we're going to... I can survive most attacks it'll throw at me at the moment, so I'm going to heal up.
It's rock. You'll be fine.
Yeah. Going to send out Zumi.
Okay. Annoying. My Neanda's stalling me.
Good old-fashioned tackles.
Oh, you're gonna take as long as to do damage to those tackles as it took to find them.
Alright. As long as I don't crit it, I can hit it one more time.
It might still have a crit. Now it won't. It'll die to a crit. Son of a... This mighty Anna is annoying. Finally, it's dead.
Yes!
Oh, you caught yours so much easier.
Solrock.
I guess it took you longer to find yours than did me.
And
You
you
caught a
call
lot
your
faster.
name is Surrock, also known as Luna.
No. I should have named my son.
Just watch, there's gonna be a second one now. No.
Oh. Get him, possible. Wow, that did a lot for not being very effective. Don't heal. Why do you have something? Nice, nice. Finish the job.
Switch you out. That is dangerous.
Machop? Ah, dude. Torpedo. You know what? I'm not even gonna take the chance to try and switch train. I'm just gonna go out the pond. Oh my gosh, that did a lot.
You good?
It did a whopping amount. Oh, this isn't gonna be
What
fun.
route is this?
Death route.
115? Yeah, so...
I believe you can get a fishing account if you want. Okay, so this is how this is gonna go, eh?
what
It
happened?
crit me all the way down to 6 HP.
Ouch.
This Sharpedo, I don't think it has pursuit. But who do I even go out to? Puddle?
Just
Gosh, that hurt a lot.
Alright. Want to switch some people out and in.
Gosh, I might lose. I might lose Lombre. Okay, I'm just gonna hope for the best.
So,
Okay, he didn't have pursuit. He didn't have pursuit.
I didn't realize how many Pokemon I had. Rated R,
Yeah,
Susan,
we gotten a lot.
Tyler, Raspberry, Lil,
Crit kills.
Bomb, Spot, Leafa.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
I
So,
did left.
you're my Psychic Bug type, but you don't know
Oh my
any
gosh, I
bug
focus energy.
moves. So Daisy, you'll go in, and I'll bring in Luna.
I gotta heal.
And
Carl, you don't sound like you're having as much of a tough time as I am.
I don't usually have as much of a tough time as you.
Did a lot. That did a lot.
And Zumi, you've been a VP, but it's time for you to be replaced with Leafa.
I just have to take the chance at this point. I lived. Okay. Oh my goodness, Sharpedo is a monster. I just had to take chances that he wouldn't crit me and hopefully kill him.
That's rough.
I feel like I got the harder of the two games.
Yeah,
I feel like I did this to myself.
I feel like you would have had an easier time if you chose a Trico.
Yeah, maybe.
Alright. Now for the hard part, using these guys till they are strong enough.
I'm gonna heal everybody just in case I can't get to a center.
What moves do you have? Rock Throw, Confusion, Tackle. Good set.
I hurt. Ugh. I'm gonna be limping my way down. I can at least get another encounter. On jagged paths. Encounter.
Oh,
Numal.
that's where you got your repeat ball. Duh.
Yep. Okay, my encounter is a Numal.
You're not Slipknot.
One. You're not my Slipknot.
Actually, I just realized something. So we're going to go and do something real quick.
Don't do it. It's a trap. That's what they want you to do.
I just realized I saw this thing had poison barb and I didn't grab it.
Give it to your Swalot.
Exactly.
Man, they really made item moving a lot easier nowadays.
Yeah.
What do I wanna... I call you Boo. You know what? I'm also just gonna get down because I want to go to the Pokemon side. Ah, that's right. You're an account. You're a person have to play.
Okay.
I luckily won't have to train up too much before fighting the gym. Which is good.
Got
Maybe
sunburns.
get Gary up.
I have a few sunburns on my arms, and like they haven't been that bad till today. Now they like feel like itchy like crazy.
Sunburns are not fun.
No.
How'd you get burned?
I played kickball with some friends a few weeks ago.
Oh yeah. I remember seeing that. See, that's why you just don't go outside. You live a Brandon life. The darkness of my room is my only friend.
11. I defeated all you guys before.
I've conquered this route.
Basically. I like how this lady's so chill about the whole situation. Oh yeah, some people just came up here and started doing some stuff. But you want to ride up too, kid?
Go on in. Go stop the fight for us. Thanks.
Okay. I'm going to switch level these guys.
Oh, right, Leech Seed. Forgot that still.
You guys are all doing stuff.
You guys are having your own fight. I won't bother you.
Just don't mind the 10-year-old kid going to save the day.
I'm out of here.
I said I would switch it, but Luna has the advantage right there.
Yeah. Flying types are very weak to the Soul Rock and other. Don't put me to sleep.
Oh, that's right, you're dark type still.
Just trying to use confusion.
Yeah, I thought I didn't get the dark type until it evolved. I don't know why.
Come on, man. Look at it. It's the definition of dark type. You know one Pokemon that confuses me with its dark typing?
Who?
Pancham. It's not a dark type.
It's not?
It's pure fighting, and then it evolved into a dark type when you get Pangoro.
Really?
Because of the way it evolved. I think it's like how it evolves is that you get a you have a dark type on your team, and then it like corrupts it. basically. I think it's like the whole lore to it.
I always like it when they give some lore to Pokemon.
That could not be lore, I could just bring it up, but I imagine giving a dark type to a Pokemon corrupts it, so. Makes sense in my head.
It makes sense to me. Alright, switch you out for Nemo.
Just imagining your Marshchamp evolve into Swampert, and it's just like, I don't think it's Nemo anymore. Buffalo.
Well, I might rename some of my Pokemon if I get to the renamer.
Buffalo. When Nemo was tired of the bullies.
This is what happens when you do steroids, kids. Don't do steroids.
So many life lessons in these last 2 episodes we've recorded.
Yeah.
Nope, I didn't mean to go there. Said I didn't mean to go there. Oh, I already caught a new mole. Oh, well, I get to go re-encounter them.
Oh.
I'll release this one. I thought I didn't, but now I remember Explosion. I forgot I named it Explosion.
Oh, you got a Numel in the one route. Yeah.
Yeah, I thought that's where I got my Slugma, but I got him in the cave, or in the Fiery Path.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I can go train up and... Actually, how do I do that? And you can still use training up. I won't do the egg yet. What's the
Alright.
egg? A Togepi?
Why not?
Oh, why not? That's even worse. Makes me want it less.
Mighty
Well, I get the green count. Kill it. Do to him as you did to me. Stall me with sand attacks. Alright, well, I'm gonna go train everybody up then. And rain counter. Both I think. I hate to, in order to like go train up in this route, you have to go all the way back up the gondola.
Oh. That was too close.
Oh, yeah, Mighty Ant is tough, man. It is a pain.
Hindsight, I should have just threw my steel type out first.
Yeah. Rain counter. I don't even know what else is on this route.
Sand attack.
The Doomal. Sand attack. I won't speed up until I get my encounter done. I'll be fair. I don't really know what else is on this route. It's a Numels and
Slowly getting this sucker down.
Just wait till you use the super potion. Ooh, Machop! Okay, I'll take it. I'll take it.
There we go.
Are you finding Maxie? Or is this the one at the ground?
No, this is Maxie.
Okay, yeah, wait till she uses...
She is a he.
Is it a he?
Yeah.
I always think Maxie's a girl for some reason. And it just never dings in my head when I say she or he.
To be fair, it's hit or miss, which is in this game, but like in Alpha and Omega, it's more
Yeah, it's
obvious.
a little bit more prominent, yeah. I just never remember. Now Super Potion.
Yep.
And all the work was for nothing.
Now I'm lowering its speed.
Oh. Come on. Crobat. Hit your supersonic. That's 3 in a row, man. There we go. Ah.
Yes, flinch. King's Rock on my Mailbird makes Water Gun a flinch move.
That doesn't make sense. Okay. I should be able to catch him. Get him, Pokemon!
Okay. Send you out.
I've caught the Machop.
Nice.
I'm gonna name him Forearm. After the Ben 10 hero. Is it dashed? I'm gonna put something. Forearm.
Okay, you can confuse me. It doesn't matter. I'm currently tanking.
You can do it. Go ahead. See if I care. It'll be a hard route to train on. Well, that will lower it. Oh, I can speed this up. Oh, well, it almost killed me. Great. I'm glad I was here. If I can get Marsh Time 1 more level, honestly, I'll be okay. I can do that. Get you 1 more level.
Ah, hurt myself.
Nice. Train up, everybody train up.
There we go.
Okay. You don't have to go. Ah, no, trainer! Oh, I guess I shouldn't speed up the trainer. I
Yeah.
didn't mean to encounter him. I was
Gotta be
in
careful.
training mode, so I wasn't thinking. Oh, I should have switched out the slug. Hang it. Kill it.
Okay, the camper should be an easy kill for Nemo.
Yes. Was it magnitude 10?
Ah, close but no cigar. Yeah, I knew you were going super potion.
Put Nemo in the box.
What's that?
Putting Nemo. Putting Puddle in the box. Marsh Tom. My version of Nemo.
I'll say, like,
Do I want?
Nemo's not going in the box. What are you talking about?
I'll bring Lunatone and train him up a bit.
Cool. We got a win there.
Nice. You seem like you had a lot easier time.
Like, I had type advantage though, you didn't.
It's true. I had bad type advantage.
Cool. So everyone looks like they're doing good.
Oh, there was a spoink in this route?
Jagged Pass. Yeah.
Oh, that. Carl, there's a spoink in that route. Get him.
Nope, no more.
That's not spoink. I get everybody up to like
There we
28 would be good.
Got my Nomu.
I beam hurts.
Nunu. Like Moo, both ends.
Say, is it like Moo Moo?
Yep.
Hard to train.
Oh hey, found the spoink.
Ah! A spoink. You have 11. Is that your ability? I can.
Splash.
Would you use splash?
It tried to get me with splash.
Yeah, the old splash check. That hurts, spoink. That hurts a lot. It tried to kill me.
Same.
Man, Psybeam hurts a lot.
Yeah, it does. It hurts so much that I'm just going, nope. Out of there.
I wonder at this
Wait,
point, would it
isn't
just be
psychic
wiser for me-
effective against poison? Did I just screw
Yes.
up?
Yes, but you're Swalot, so tank up.
Wait, why is it not?
Oh, it's Psywave, isn't it?
Yeah.
Psywave has a like damage calculation to it, so it's one of the moves that doesn't calculate in super effectiveness.
Ah, try to get past her.
I made the executive decision here to go back and get the acro bike, so I don't have to keep going up the gondola every time.
That is a smart decision.
I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna do this, so I don't have to deal with it. Slow, get me back up. Thank you.
That was pretty good on this route.
Yeah.
Like, this spoink is really the only real threat.
This point is
Wish I got this spoink, but such is life.
Grumpig's a pretty bulky mon.
Yeah.
This Spoink, man. Spoink is so annoying.
Ooh, critical. I'd rather switch you out for someone else and risk it to a spoink.
I'd rather you die to this Spoink.
Hey.
Go down with honor.
Now, honor is if they die to the Elite Four.
Otherwise, they were useless to me.
Till then, they were sacrificial steps. Okay, let's go heal up.
I think I might just honestly have to just go in with my Crobat, my Marshtomp, and my... I think I might just go into the gym, because honestly, Marshtomp's gonna probably kill 90% of their team.
Yeah. That's why I'm not too worried.
I think I'm gonna leave Flustle behind. Because it's gonna be pretty useful.
Go. Wrong button.
Right. And I'm not gonna bring Moon in there. Anyone else I wanna leave? I'll leave behind Tailo too. Or Swallow. Tail no.
Hell no. The girls had
Hell
a nice laugh out of that name.
What, Tail no?
Yeah.
Tail no. Do I have anything that increases water tank? I don't know if I have 9. I could honestly teach some of my Pokemon these moves. Like Bullet Seed Delambre would probably be pretty good. Steel Wing Swallow. Okay, well, I'm gonna get. I'm actually gonna buy items before I go. Also, that route is very hard to train on.
Yeah. Luna gets good benefits from it, but that's about it.
Can I get
So water is the only reoccurring element type I have between all my Pokemon.
Yeah, it's like the one bad thing with just about every Pokemon game is that water is just like
Everywhere.
the type. Just number one typing.
Alright.
I don't remember the pattern to gym. Oh, this is the trainer. Oh, right, there's the herb store, which has cheaper stuff to get. I forgot.
Mm-hmm.
You can get items that heal you better for less money.
Yeah, I just remembered that too. After I bought a ton of super potions.
Yeah, I just bought a ton of potions. Well, oh well. Live and you learn.
Well, that's a good point to end, I think.
I'm in a trainer battle. Hold on.
I'm going to relax before we end.
You and that guy?
Yep.
Looking chilled out here.
Mm-hmm.
Don't you heal? You actually heal? You have a hyper potion. You're a trainer in a gym. Why? I'll get out of here soon. I'll make it.
Will you? Ooh, level 29. Yeah, you gained some levels.
Yeah, my march time was pretty much already high
Right.
from the previous gym. I think they only have one. I could.
Man, two of my original team members are now being replaced, though. That's something else.
Let me head back to the Pokemon Center real quick.
Maybe you can figure a way back.
I only made it through 2 doors.
Oh, yeah, then never mind.
Hold on, I'll go chill with you.
There we go. Well, thank you everybody for watching. Wasn't too eventful, but wasn't boring either. We definitely had some moments today.
I had about 5.
And yeah, next episode, one of us should have the gym badge.
Hopefully.
So until next time, have a good one, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.